What's the meaning of comical? Comical. Comical.
Comical. Comical. The word comical refers to something that is funny or amusing in a silly or absurd way. It can describe a situation, behavior, or appearance that is humorous and not intended to be serious. Something that is comical may make people laugh, smile, or feel amused. Often, comedians and clowns use comical gestures, expressions, and actions to entertain their audience. Overall, comical refers to anything that has a lighthearted and humorous quality that brings joy and laughter to people.